take a quick ride. Today is the 5th of July 2021. Lempääläntie ja Hemmoisvägen portrait in Valkeakoski, Finland. Oh, look at this interior.
Yeah.
It's the original interior. Yeah. Built in 1953, well, in 1998 actually. I thought so. So, originally by Kone, the serial number is H5220. The interior is scratched.
Yeah.
It's still original. It's going to be inspected this year, 2021. It was actually turned 20 years old in 2018. And the elevator turned 65 years old then.
Yeah.
So still not bad, but bad buttons.
Yeah.
I like those small round windows.
No, same here.
But this modernization is unnecessary.
Yeah.
Even though it's 1998, but still it's unnecessary. Because I don't like these buttons so much.
No, same here.
Could have been modernized by Kone or Evergreen.
Yeah.
Because it was MB4.
Yeah.
But this doesn't have this metal plate, or maybe there was, but they put mirrors.
Yeah.
But it's pretty vandalized.
Yeah.
That's it. 1966 one is the most amazing one so far in Valkeakoski.
That's